tons floating shabu ito. So, buri mo, yan, gumagamit sila ng mga floating shabu sa Luzon, 2025. So, major intersection of ports at entry points, no? The administration has significant PBBM, tightened border security instead of focusing solely in strict level operation. Ang ginawa nila, yung mga big fish shipment, ang kinanani ng PBBM, yung mismong source ng droga, yung point of entry sa Pilipinas, yun ang kinanani. Hindi niya masyadong kinanin street level. Talagang gagawin niya mataas yung sa loob sa supply and demand, pagka masyadong konti yung supply, tataas ang presyo niya. Magkakahirapan. Pati nga yung mayor dyan sa panahon kung saan yan sa pagpapabay, Bebesiya. Nahuli, dating mayor, nahuli siya nag-travel back to the The report na sa order Navy shipment, Alitagtag Batangas bus, Primo April 2024. Taking landmark operation, 1.8 tons of shabu valued at over 33 billion was intercepted at checkpoint. It is often cited with the presence of prime example of Douglas, but highly effective. Seaport Coastal Vigilance in 2025 authorizes more than 1.3 tons of floating shabu valued at 8 billion on the coast of Reyes, Pangasinan, and Cagayan. PBB personally inspected these hulls, make sure they were transparently destroyed and not recycled back to history. At ang nangyari dito, ginawa ni PBB, pinaksan niya yung mga sweldo ng mga local official at saka mga polis para maging hindi na sila magano. Kaya nga kay PBBM, bloodless victory. PBM drug one triumphants, no? 80 billion, Shabu says major port secured that busted bloodless victory. Kaya nga ito sa East, 100, supply reduction strategy. Yung supply